MailChimp is one of the most powerful but easy email marketing platform which comes with all important affordable features for marketers of all sizes. Whether you are a blogger, own a local business or company with off-the-chart growth, MailChimp got the templates and features to convert your visitors into subscribers or paying customers. Connecting MailChimp with your WordPress website or store is very easy and that gives us the opportunity to integrate more apps with it. In starting out, you can have 2000 subscribers and you will be able to send 12,000 emails per month for cost. But they have paid subscriptions as well. As your business grows, you can change the plans starting from $10 per month. Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to talk and show you how to set up a MailChimp account and how to add subscribers or email list in MailChimp by manual way, which is adding contacts one by one, and also you will learn the process to import subscribers or email list in batch way. Without further ado, let's dive into my computer screen to learn. To create a MailChimp account, you will need to have an active email address. I have got a new Yahoo email, but you can use whatever your email address is. First of all, sign in with your email and in a new tab, visit mailchimp.com. After the page loads, click on sign up free. Now we have the fields to enter our email, username and password, which should be minimum 8 characters long with at least one uppercase, one lowercase, one special character and one number. I am entering my information. After putting a good password, you will see your password is secure and you are all set. Then click on get started. MailChimp has sent you an email for verification. Please check it out from your email inbox and click on active account button. Now click on I am not a robot button to confirm that you are a human. Enter your first name and last name and then click on continue. Here you have to enter information about your business. Your email recipients will see this info so they will know from who they are receiving the emails from. I am putting Azharul Rafy YouTube channel as an example here on business name field. And if you have a website, you can select yes and put the URL in the field. I am putting my YouTube channel link. If you don't have a website, don't worry, you can select no instead. After entering the appropriate information, click on continue. In this page, you have to enter physical address of your business to ensure your emails comply with international anti-spam law. If you don't have a physical address for your business, please check out the link to learn about alternatives. Now fill up the address fields and click on continue. In this page, you have to provide a basic idea on your subscribers list. If you have one, select yes and I'm choosing 500 or less for example. As long as the count is under 2000, you don't have to worry about paying them. After selecting the numbers, click on continue. If you want to share your email campaigns with your social media followers, you can connect them from this page, but I'm skipping this part and clicking on continue. You could get some recommendations on email marketing by clicking on OK, let's do it button. Very helpful steps they provide, but I'm clicking on not right now button to save the time. Alright, our account is ready now and we are up to add list to start building campaigns. But here again, if you're interested to get tips, success stories and news, you can check the subscribe to what's in store box. Then click on let's go. Cross this pop-up window. We got a tick mark in account setup and it's time to go for adding subscribers list. To start the process, we have to click on audience button. Here you will see one contact and one subscriber in your audience list, but it is a default set of your own contact details. Now, to add a subscriber manually, click on Manage Audience and then click on Add a Subscriber. Put as many information as you want as the fields goes by, and then please check the box of this person gave me permission to email them, and check if this person is already on my list. Update their info, which will keep your subscribers information up to date with latest information. Then click on subscribe. The contact is successfully added to our subscribers list. We will be able to add more contacts one by one by using Add a Subscriber button. This was the manual way, but we can add multiple contacts into our list by importing them with a CSV file. We could have thousands of contacts in a spreadsheet and we'll be able to add them all at once by using Import Contacts button. Here we have the option to upload the CSV spreadsheet, which is containing all our contacts information. Click on Next and click on Browse to choose the targeted file, and then click on Next. In this page, we have opportunity to make adjustments on any contact if needed, and if you see all good, please click on the Next again. If you have followed all accordingly, you will see the message "You are all set to import," and it will show other information about your list. If you find all good, please click on Import button. And we are done with the process. It added 2 contacts from our spreadsheet and ignored 1 email which was invalid or rule based. That's a great thing. Here is our subscribers list. By using this process, we'll be able to add thousands of subscribers into our MailChimp account at once. So we have learned the easy MailChimp account setup process and learned how to add subscribers into a MailChimp audience list manually and in bulk. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video and share on social media. And to get update on the next video, which is about designing a newsletter in MailChimp, please subscribe and click on